A useful feature in Ibex is interactive bridge editing. So I have the Ibex logo here, and I have a toolpath cutting out the perimeter. And if I rotate here, you can see that I have several bridges applied to this toolpath. So in the toolpath ribbon, on the right side, I have the Edit Bridges and Start Point tool. So this allows me to then click and drag and interactively change the position of any of the bridges I have generated on this toolpath. I can also right-click on a bridge and remove it, or right-click on the toolpath itself to add more bridges. So this is a helpful way to visualize the bridges you have in place, adjust them to more optimized positions, or even adjust the number of bridges once you see the generated toolpaths. Doing it interactively also allows you to see the shape of the bridge you have created, make sure that matches what you expect, and overall just get a good visualization of what's about to be cut. That's it for interactive bridge editing in Ibex.